My video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware that is called RARE. This ransomware is from the VoidCrypt ransomware family. In my video, I will give you the demonstration of how damaging this ransomware is. I am not promoting this ransomware and I am not related to it. So my video is only for educational purposes. I'm showing to you the damage that can be caused by this ransomware. So, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office and other data. Regretfully, because of certain vulnerabilities in the system, this rare ransomware from the VoidCrypt family may be pretty easily injected into the computer. And then pretty soon users realize that something bad has occurred with their data and that they cannot use their files anymore because of this rare ransomware. Pretty soon people see the negative consequences of the ransomware attack. And so this is what happens with the files after they get encrypted. Users try to open the specific file and this is the message that they get, saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the RARE extension. The ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery, but you shouldn't pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. Paying the ransom does not guarantee that your data would be recovered, so don't ever pay it. By the way, this is the ransom note. It is called read. It just says that users need to pay the ransom, but once again, paying the ransom is not a good idea. My recommendation is that you immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus called Combo Cleaner. To download it, you will need to use an Internet Explorer browser because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts can also be damaged by this ransomware. Go to the page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. This is the official website of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Download the program, install it, and click on Start Scan button to begin researching your computer. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. After you click on Start Scan button, the program begins researching and investigating your computer. While the scanning is taking place, please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature does not decrypt files, but this feature helps to protect your files from further ransomware attacks. Then the scanning, of course, will take place, and at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. So then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You will also be able to know their locations on the system. I recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected.